Hello, everyone. I hope we remember we had a discussion before on this spiral here in the gold trend. And in response to some of the questions we have received, we will just make a short discussion of what we can expect as we move along. Now, we will not draw this spiral, it's already drawn there. But as we said the last time, this level here, which we said the 1682 level, let me put a line there. The 1682 level, where we said is the center of the spiral or the eye of the spiral. Now, the last time we said until now, there has not been any one candle that has closed through that center of the spiral, that is the eye of the spiral. We've not had a candle that the body of the candle has closed above or below that line. We can see from here, even when we had this main downtrend, the candle that opened for the downtrend opened below that center of the spiral. And then these two candles here, this first candle closed just below the spiral, and the next candle opened above the spiral, and then we had these swings here. But after these two candles went above that spiral, we've never had any one candle that has closed below it. We can see from here, although the candle broke through, it came down, but the close of the candle went again above the center. Here also we can see, and then here also, this downtrend which occurred just this Friday broke also through the line, came down below it, but went ahead or above that center of the spiral. That means it closed again above that spiral. So, as many of us are expecting some downtrend to occur, we discussed last time that if that downtrend will occur or if you would have any downtrend, we have to get like this formation here. We have to get one candle that will close above it, and then the next candle that will close also below it. Then we can have some downtrend which will continue. But until then, since we've not had any candle that will negate the strength of this center of the spiral, we still feel that price may stay above it. And then also we can indicate here, we can see the top side. Let me change the color. We can see the top side of the spiral. The top side of this advance here is descending. We can see this if you draw a trend line. Let me put a trend line there. Now we can see from this trend line that the top is descending gradually. Now we have the top of the trend. The current top we have was on the 1765 level, somewhere around here. And then after that high, we can see that all the other advances are descending. The trend line descends down. So for now, we have price trapped in this area, trapped in between the center of the spiral and then this top here, which is declining. So if we would have any break of this line here, trend line, then we can target again this top, or price can go above this high. But if we will have another candle that will close below this center of the spiral, then we can have any downtrend that will come a little below, because actually this swing here from the start of the 188 cycle to the top here has completed a major a major advance or a major range, which normally we expect to have some correction. So this small correction here might not be enough. And then also this swing here from this high, this low, sorry, to this high also has completed the diagonal of two squares. It has completed two squares actually. So ideally we expect the correction to come maybe this level on the 0.382 level here, which is in the 1647 zone, or we can have the zero point 0.5 level at 1609, which is the January high that we had. We can expect also to have a support line there, or if the descent will come further, then we can expect it to hit again this 0.618 level where we had this drop. We can expect a double bottom here, these two bottoms there. But until that, we expect now price to range between these two ranges, like this center and this descending top. We expect price to range in between that two boundaries until it will break out on either the top or the down. Then we will have a trend. But until then, we can be trading the swings back and forth in these two boundaries, and then if we break through it, then we can expect it to come down. Also, we talked about this. Let me bring back this line, this one by one line, which we talked about last time. Okay, that is the line. Let me change the color so we can see it properly. Let me use a green line. Okay, and then we can see this one by one line. Now price broke through but went up again, because that one by one was also going through these two boundaries. So price broke through, but the center of the spiral held prices again above up. Now price is here. This is today's candle and price is here. If it breaks through this one by one, then we expect it to come back down to this line, which is the center of the spiral. But if it will move up again, then we can expect this boundary here, which we have the descending trend line, to be the next resistance for price action. So until then, just stay tuned, and then as and when we have any signal, we would update. Thanks for watching and good luck.